Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use time-restricted roads. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the navigation. If you tap the navigation, you've got access to the navigation app, of course, and here you can find and select the settings by using this icon right here. Let's tap the settings. Alright, and let's select here the routing preferences, the second option. If you tap the routing preferences, you've got the whole list of routing preferences that you can change. Scroll down here, and here you can use this feature, use time restricted roads. As you can see, let me just tap here, and you can choose avoid, use restriction info, or don't use restriction info. I recommend to use restriction info because some roads are only open during a specific hours, for example pedestrian zones during the day, or restricting access for certain vehicles. The car will check the current time and only navigate you through those roads if they are legally open at the exact moment. So let's keep this feature enabled. On this second position, use restriction info. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.